Okay, Papa. So good evening to all. So today we are going to see the DT video based on agent-to-agent communication. So in this our students are going to explain what is code on agent-to-agent communication, what is the features, capabilities. These things are going to explain by our first year IoT students. So one by one is going to explain. First Arun Gurchandran starting presentation.
Hello everyone, I am Arun Gurchandran from the Department of CSIOT first year. So today we will be seeing about the agent-to-agent communication protocol. So this is not present in the present now. So this is an emerging protocol which integrates two AA agents to work together. So first the four features: secure messaging between AA agents and negotiation, task delegation. So what if we could integrate one AA with another? So this is a groundbreaking technology. So first, I believe we all must have used certain AA agents like ChatGPT, Cloud, or Gemini. So each AA agents are good in specific tasks. So like for example, Gemini is good in coding, and ChatGPT is good in everything in overall perspective. So if we use ChatGPT for a certain work, and we needed to perform another work but with a booster. So we could integrate it with Gemini to work for coding purposes or for coding purposes. And in present, Gemini also integrates with some services like Google Slides and Google Documents, and it could also integrate with Gmail. So this comes under modern context protocol, so we're not going to see that now. So what are the capabilities of agent-to-agent communication protocols? So it supports multi-agent workflows. So as I said, it allows multiple agents to work together to give a purposeful work, and it enables distributed problem solving. So yes, so each AA agents can perform different, the problems can be solved in a different manner. So when integrating them together gives way to a more powerful processing, and they harness swarm intelligence. So swarm intelligence in the sense they align with all the protocols, like their processing speed aligns together and gives us a more efficient. And the use case, so at present, supply chain areas negotiate prices and manage logistics efficiently. So in context of supply chain area, the supply chain area in the sense it comes under logistics management and statistics. So what this does is, if there are multiple areas present in different domains, like in the supply chain, they could integrate together and give a cooperative workflow.
Hello everyone, myself Nikilan from the Department of CSE IoT. Hello everyone, myself Nikilan from the Department of CSE IoT, and I am here to present a topic on cognitive mesh prototype. Cognitive mesh prototype (CMP), which was introduced in 2025. The purpose of CMP is to create a brain-like network of agents to solve the multiple tasks, and the key components of CMP is a distributed ledger. The distributed ledger is to create a network to solve the problems. And the next one is a peer-to-peer communication. Peer-to-peer communication is device-to-device talking without any central network. And the advantages are enables secure data sharing, supports trustless AI interactions. Which supports a trustless AI interaction means that we don't need to trust anyone. It uses a technology to solve the problems accuracy and honestly. The real world examples: AI agents coordinating energy and traffic in the smart city infrastructure, and the rest of will be explained to you.
Hi, this is Monisha. I'm from the Department of CSE So now I'm going to talk about the real world applications and autonomous of robotics. So first is MCP is robotics, which robots has a task and a context in the workspace details over the AI intelligence. Which includes the task between AI and AI, which we need to complete by ourselves or by a prompt. So it could be like it could helpful for some MPC robotics. So now A2A coordination. A2A is nothing but agent to agent. So it's robot communicates to avoid the collision optimizing actions, which means that between any problem between the two task or an agent between Gemini or ChatGPT, we have some different types of examples or like having a different problem and getting a different answers from different sides. So cognitive messaging, which manages the deployment of the practice and security, which means that it secures our privacies and data from the details which we according to. Impact. It produces 30% of productivity boost and 20% of error rate, which means that if you are asking for a code to be generated by ChatGPT or Gemini, it could help us by giving a current stability of 30% access and 20%